Riverton, Wyoming is rich in Native American culture, beautiful national parks, and wildlife reserves, and has a convenient airport to set you right in the action. Riverton came to Brandcraft for a website redesign that would showcase their amazing outdoor recreation, dining, museums, and more with easy-to-use CMS that offers them full control over their content. I'm Jess, and this is Behind the Craft. The new website needed to give travelers easy access to details about Riverton, including things to do, current or upcoming events, news, and trip planning information. The design needed to be easy to navigate while utilizing crisp photography to give the site an exciting and welcoming feel. To give visitors a seamless experience, we made sure the most important information was front and center. Each page is set up to make travel info easy to find and encourage tourists to discover all that the city has to offer. With bright and engaging photography and fluid UI, this website redesign doesn't just showcase the many adventures awaiting visitors in Riverton, Wyoming. It answers the question, why Riverton? Like and follow for more.